In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Stripe transactions to CSV. If you need a simple way to download your transaction history for reporting, bookkeeping, or just keeping your records organized, Stripe makes that process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part of the export process so you know exactly what to click and what to check before downloading your file. To begin, log into your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one business or project inside Stripe. Starting from the right dashboard will help you avoid exporting the wrong transaction data. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Transactions. This section shows your transaction activity and is the area where Stripe lets you prepare and export based on your needs. After that, go to the top right corner of the page and click Export. This will open the export options, where you can customize the file before downloading it. Taking a moment here to review your settings can save time later, especially if you're using the CSV for accounting software or internal reports. Next, select your preferred time zone. This is important because transaction timestamps can appear differently depending on the time zone you choose. If you're comparing the export with reports from another system, it's a good idea to use the same time zone to keep everything consistent. Then choose the date range you want to export. You can select one of Stripe's preset ranges or choose custom if you want to enter specific start and end dates. This is useful if you only need transactions from a certain month, quarter, or reporting period. If needed, choose the columns you want to include in the export. Depending on what you're using the CSV for, you may want more or less detail. For example, some exports are easier to work with when they only include the most relevant fields. Before downloading, review your export settings carefully. Double-check the time zone, date range, and selected columns to make sure everything matches what you need. A quick review here helps prevent having to repeat the export. When everything looks correct, click Export. Stripe will then begin generating your CSV file. Depending on how much data you're exporting, this may take a few moments. Finally, wait for Stripe to generate and download the CSV file. Once the download is complete, open the file and make sure the data looks right before sharing it or importing it elsewhere. Thanks for watching.